6 Money Principles the Poor Need to Know. Money management is a vital skill for everyone, especially those living in poverty. Poverty can make it challenging to meet basic needs, save money, and plan for the future. In this video, we'll discuss 6 money principles that the poor need to know to improve their financial situation. 1. Create a budget. The first step in managing money effectively is creating a budget. A budget helps you keep track of your income and expenses, and it can help you identify areas where you can cut costs. By creating a budget, you can see where your money is going and make adjustments to ensure that you're using it effectively. 2. Prioritize saving. Saving money is essential, especially for those living in poverty. Even if you can only save a small amount each month, it's important to prioritize saving. Building an emergency fund can help you deal with unexpected expenses and prevent you from going into debt. By prioritizing saving, you can work towards building a better financial future. 3. Avoid debt. Avoiding debt is critical, especially for those living in poverty. High-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control, making it difficult to get ahead financially. If you need to borrow money, make sure you understand the terms of the loan and how you'll pay it back. Avoid taking out loans with high interest rates, and try to pay off debt as quickly as possible. 4. Live below your means. Living below your means is crucial for anyone looking to improve their financial situation. This means spending less money than you earn and avoiding lifestyle inflation. It's important to make smart spending decisions, avoid unnecessary expenses, and focus on your financial goals. 5. Invest in education and skills. Investing in education and skills is critical for improving your financial situation over the long term. Pursuing education and training can help you qualify for better-paying jobs and increase your earning potential. Consider taking advantage of free online courses or vocational training programs in your community. 6. Seek financial assistance. If you're struggling to make ends meet, don't be afraid to seek financial assistance. There are many programs available to help those living in poverty, including food assistance, housing assistance, and healthcare programs. Contact your local government or community organizations to learn more about the assistance programs available in your area. Those were 6 money principles that the poor need to know to improve their financial situation. By creating a budget, prioritizing saving, avoiding debt, living below your means, investing in education and skills, and seeking financial assistance when needed, you can work towards a better financial future. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you for watching.